Congress MLA Joy Kishan says it will be wrong to celebrate Sangai Festival amidst the uncertain final outcome of Naga peace talks. And People Kharam community protests under the initiative of Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur. Kurumjuri, good afternoon. You're watching Sunday After News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this afternoon. Even MLA Kumukchum Joy Kishan said that he will not attend this year's Sangai Festival owing to the issues prevailing in the state. He asserted that the people shall refrain from any festivities, including Sangai Festival, as the final outcome of Naga peace talks between the Indian government and NSC and IM is uncertain. Speaking to media in a press meet held at his residence in Kuyatong today, MLA Joy Kishan said that political parties in the state, including Congress Party, has been urging the state government to convene a special assembly session, and the people of the state has been carrying out various forms of agitations under Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur. Maintaining that it will be inaccurate to celebrate the Sangai Festival organized by the state government amidst such issues, he appealed to people to act accordingly. MLA Joy Kishan also appealed the BJP-led government to work honestly to preserve the territorial integrity of the state. He maintained that the 4 MPs from the state has a great role to prevent from tabling Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 and Naga Peace Accord at the upcoming Parliament session on November 18. MLA Joy Kishan appealed to the 4 MPs of the state to act as per the interest of people.
Tourism Department ki khutang dagi ayakpu Sangai Festival ki dignitary oina phamna bahaiduna confirmation tobiru haiduna irakpa sithi do ayakna ngasi miyam punamakta handak ki kumsi gi oina di ayak Sangai Festival yaujara dignitary gi oiba phomphom langda phambaduna tana Sangai Festival tori mufam do ayak changaroi chokthadana leiraba hiram khudingmakta soiraba BJP sida koina mateng pangbirage haibada selaba sinadi praja miyam dagi issue dagi makoise sel haibase miyam su khangbiro Chakutpada maning halabani, Chindana Chakutpa, development Sangsale, Santi Pure have Kudamakadi, Ona Tainabada Nakangara. She Langa as the appeal of Zabadi, BJP na Chin Tibagi Hainabido, Atope Pivum, the Dedam TV, Lurabatanjasida, integrity question lakwa, Manipugi, Machet Tabai Pum Lakpasidi, Masima Tangdi, Chin Tibigan Haidana in appeal of Jeri.
People of Kharam community staged a large protest made today against the disintegration of Manipur by the finalization of Naga peace talks. Tuition 5 Youth Club, Tuition 5 Mera Paibi and United Women Rights Defender jointly organized a protest meet at the community hall of Tuition 5 Village District. Taking part in the protest, Mera Paibi leader of Tuition 5 Village, Saifu Rengne Yang, appealed not to create division among the communities residing in the state by the conclusion of Naga peace talks. She asserted that Kharam community will extend solidarity to all the initiatives of Kokomi if the Indian government ever acted against the wishes of people of the state. The protesters also carried out a large protest rally around Tuition 5 village and chanted various slogans during the protest.
Naga peace talk asina maram oiraga Manipur gi ngam khai kai ba yaroi aduga Manipur da laingak ani suba yaroi aduga Naga peace talk asina maram oiraga karigumba Manipur gi ngam khai kai ba yabagi wari sanarak labadi
masida lakadaba khudong thiba khudingmak government na mayong nagadabani aduga masigi matangda ko komina changkhalakpa ihokudingmak nasu akhoi gi tuition 5 youth club mabadi mara pai bin singnasu masida
Manipur Organic Mission Agency MoMA participated at Biotech India, which is the largest organic fair of India, held at India Export Mart in Greater Noida. 190 stalls from across the world participated in the organic fair, which was held on November 8 and 9. Representatives and board of directors of the 10 FPCs under MOPCDNR and entrepreneur of Manipur attended the fair. Maira Foods, Rima Foods, Naga Spices and Herbs and Luwang Agrotech stalls were opened in the expo. A team comprising of 5 senior administrators of Manipur government inspected the Manipuri stalls yesterday. Commissioner of Education, Yas and Revenue also joined the team led by Commissioner of Horticulture and Soil Conservation M. Harikrishna, IAS, and Commissioner of Agriculture M. Joy, IAS. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we're bringing news on release of a novel entitled Srimati Ichema, written by renowned theatre artist Ratan Thiam. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News on Impact TV. A novel entitled Srimati Ichema, written by renowned theatre personality Ratan Thiam, was released today. Professor Nomaithem Tombi and Dr. I.S. Kangjam graced the event held at Shrine Palai House of Chorus near Uripo, Kangchup Road. Longjam Jai Chandra spoke regarding the novel at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Ratan Thiam said that the novel was written 50 years back. He asserted that the novel might not have completed if R.K. Bidur failed to collect the written scripts of the novel. Ratan Thiam maintained that he released a novel to extend some contribution in the field of Manipuri literature. R.K. Bidur was felicitated with gifts as a mark of respect on the occasion. A Meghalaya resident who went missing from Mantripuki, Imphal was handed over to his family through Meghalaya's Jawai Assembly constituency MLA Wal Etmiki Shaila on November 8. 65 years old, Doin Suna from Mukla, Langshore, under Kaleshken block of West Khasi, Janshia Hills in Jawai Assembly constituency went missing since last October 14. Renowned film actor of Manipur, T.H. Lokendra from Lalambung Makong found the person pacing near his residence on the midnight of October 17. Later, he surfaced photos and videos on social media and his friends in Shillong after he'd identified the person is from the Khasi community. Lokendra filed an FIR at Hangang police station after the person went missing again. Later, Wangoi police station found the person and he was handed over to MLA Wal Etmiki Shaila of Jawai Assembly constituency and his family. Winners of state-level mathematics and science competition organized by Mahikol, Manipur first ever e-learning educational app were felicitated at TRI Auditorium today. More than 2,000 students from class 6 to 10 competed in the competition. Top 10 winners from every class were felicitated with certificates and cash awards. Speaking on the occasion, Managing Director of Mahikol, Arambam Priyo Bertha, said that Mahikol is a mobile app which was launched to avail various opportunities to students. He asserted that Mahikol is a worldwide project to bring a change in the field of education.
Mahikol haiba mobile application is a worldwide project, and this project is a first ever free e-learning application. Aduga masidagi kanaba akoida karigumba amata leizade, and it's my dedication for the education community. Aduna mayamna positive response pibirapa, feedback pibirapa, mayamna pibirapa suggestion do maduna thamoida thamaga angang singi damakta kathoknage haiba adugi achetpa thajaba leiraga Mahikol is still live. Adune Mahikol ji leiri film se.
Certificates were handed over to the successful trainers of fitness training at the U Fitness Center in Singjamei, Kongbo Road today. Jila Parishad of 14 Uchekon, Nongchup Saram Niken, Vijaya Bank Manager Roshan Liang Naulak, ISTB Secretary K.H. Kogan, retired GM of DIC S. Toiba, President of U Fitness Center K.H. Koleshwar, and renowned people of the state attended the event. 30 trainees were trained every 3 months during the course held for 4 months under PMKVY scheme with an aim to keep the youths healthy. Certificates were handed over to 120 men and women trainers. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Congress MLA Joy Kishan says it will be wrong to celebrate Sangai Festival amidst the uncertain final outcome of Naga peace talks. And People Karam community protests under the initiative of Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur.